Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best kitchen light is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen. From illuminating your culinary creations to setting the mood for family gatherings, the right lighting can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of kitchen lighting, exploring various options, styles, and features to help you find the perfect illumination solution for your space. Number 5. WOBANE LED Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. Tired of dim spaces? This WOBANE LED lighting kit is the perfect solution. It's easy to install and will instantly brighten up your cabinets, shelves, and more. This kit includes 6 pre-cut LED strips, giving you plenty of flexibility. You can customize the lighting in your kitchen, closet, or anywhere else you need it. Enjoy bright, high-quality lighting with a total of 1,500 lumens. The included remote lets you easily adjust the brightness to suit your needs. Control the lights from up to 60 feet away with the RF remote. It offers dimming, timing, and other convenient functions. This kit uses a low-voltage adapter for safety and efficiency. The LED strips are designed to last, providing reliable lighting for years to come. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories. Just clean the surface, stick on the lights, and connect them. It's that easy. What we like? This kit offers pre-cut LED strips, making installation a breeze. It comes with an RF remote, giving you complete control over the lighting. If you're looking for a simple, customizable lighting solution for your cabinets or shelves, this is the perfect choice. It's easy to install and offers a great way to upgrade your space. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire kitchen. The design is sleek and modern. Easy to install. Number 4. Q&S Farmhouse 4-Light Chandelier. This farmhouse chandelier features a crafted metal frame with an oak white and ORB finish. It brings a country, antique, and rustic feel to any space. The square shape and iron cage design add a retro and artistic charm. The geometric entryway chandelier is hardwired and comes with a pre-assembled iron cage frame. You only need to adjust the chain length for the right height. It works well on various ceilings, including flat, sloped, and vaulted ones. This rustic chandelier uses 4 E26 bulbs, which are not included. It's recommended to use 6 WE26 LED Edison bulbs. You can enjoy bright or dim lighting, depending on your preference. The 4-light chandelier is perfect for many areas. It's great for dining rooms, kitchen islands, living rooms, entryways, and more. It's also suitable for restaurants, bars, and workshops. With its classic vintage design, this chandelier helps create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It adds a touch of nature and charm to your living space. It's a great way to enhance the look and feel of your home. What we like? This farmhouse chandelier boasts a classic design, perfect for adding a touch of rustic charm to your dining area. It's easy to assemble, so you can quickly enjoy its warm glow. If you like the farmhouse style and want to create a cozy atmosphere in your kitchen or dining room, this light fixture is a great option. It's a beautiful and functional addition to any space. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire kitchen. The design is sleek and modern. Easy to install. Number 3. Zeyu ZY25 FORB 12 2-Light Flush Mount. This ceiling light fixture features a modern design with a metal cage frame and clear glass shade. The oil-rubbed bronze finish creates a chic and farmhouse look. It's perfect for adding style to your home. This light is hardwired and includes all the necessary mounting hardware. Installation is quick and easy, so you can enjoy your new lighting without any hassle. The product is ETL listed for your safety and comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. You can have peace of mind knowing it's a reliable and safe choice for your home. It requires 2 E26 base 60W bulbs, which can be incandescent, LED, or CFL. Please note that the bulbs are not included with the fixture. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for any reason. If you have any issues, such as a broken glass shade or installation problems, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like? This flush mount ceiling light features a modern design with a clear glass shade, creating a chic look. It's easy to install, making it a convenient choice for any room. If you are looking for a stylish and easy-to-install light fixture for your hallway or kitchen, this one is worth considering. It offers a blend of style and convenience. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire kitchen. The design is sleek and modern. Easy to install. Number 2. 20 black low-profile ceiling fan with lights. This ceiling fan offers ultimate convenience with its 2.4G RF remote and app control. Unlike traditional remotes, this technology allows 360 degrees control from up to 50 feet away, even through obstacles. You can easily adjust wind speed and lighting from anywhere in the room. Take full control of your room's ambience with stepless adjustment for both brightness and color temperature. Whether you're reading, working, or relaxing, you can customize the perfect light. Plus, it has a smart memory function that retains your last settings. Engineered with a 7-blade aerodynamic design, this fan delivers a softer, more natural breeze. The upgraded pure copper DC motor ensures powerful airflow with minimal noise. We've also removed the annoying beep for a truly silent experience. Maximize your energy savings with the reversible airflow feature. Switch to downdraft mode in summer for a cool breeze, and toggle to updraft mode in winter to circulate warm air. This maintains a consistent temperature while reducing your energy bills. Specifically designed for low ceilings, this fan saves space while adding a modern touch to your decor. The installation is DIY friendly. Fix the bracket, connect the safety rope, wire it up, and twist to lock. No professional electrician is required for most setups. What we like. This ceiling fan offers dual control with a remote and app, giving you ultimate convenience. It features stepless dimming and color temperature memory, allowing you to customize your lighting. If you are looking for a modern ceiling fan with smart features and quiet operation for your bedroom or kids' room, this is a great choice. It provides both comfort and convenience. What people say. The built-in LED light is a total game changer. It has multiple color options you can easily switch between, warm, cool, and daylight tones, depending on your mood or time of day. The remote control makes it so convenient to adjust the brightness, fan speed, or even turn the light on/off without getting up. The airflow of this fan is excellent. She loves the remote to control the fan speed, brightness, and power on and off at her fingertips. It is lightweight and modern design. The LED light is bright, which we love, and it operates super quietly. Number 1. LB72133 32 inches oval LED ceiling light. This stunning oval LED light is designed to blend seamlessly into any decor. It provides a clean, fresh appearance while producing uniform, diffused light. With 2,800 lumens of cool white light, it's super bright. This 35-watt fixture is energy efficient and provides ample illumination for any room. Ideal for hallways, bedrooms, offices, and more. This versatile light is suitable for both commercial and residential applications. It's dimmable, allowing you to adjust the brightness to your preference. This ETL-certified LED product ensures your safety. This light is also Energy Star rated, making it a functional and efficient choice. It's a great way to save energy. The brushed nickel finish adds a touch of elegance. Its design complements various interior styles. What we like. This LED ceiling light is super bright, providing ample illumination for any room. It's also dimmable, allowing you to adjust the brightness to your liking. If you need a bright and easy-to-install light fixture for your bedroom or hallway, this is a great option. It offers both functionality and style. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire kitchen. The design is sleek and modern. Easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.